It's no secret Holley Sniper EFI system performs great right out of the box. To complement the Sniper EFI and give you even more control, we proudly introduced the Sniper EFI HyperSpark ignition system. Not only does this ignition system plug and play with Sniper EFI, but you're also getting the added benefit of a capacitive discharge ignition. What this means is that you're getting a series of hot sparks that improve the starting ability, idle quality, and throttle response. Coupled with Sniper EFI, the increased spark energy will ensure maximum engine performance, and by being able to control the timing through the Sniper EFI's touchscreen display, you can now adjust the timing from the driver's seat without even popping the hood open. It has a single positive locking connector with seals to keep dirt and moisture away, which also makes for a clean installation. The wiring harness has 4 wires you need to connect. The heavy red and black go to the battery, the white wire is your points output that goes to the Sniper EFI, and last but not least, a red switch 12-volt ignition wire. It's as simple as that. The high output HyperSpark ignition coil plugs right into the harness from the ignition, so you can be sure you're getting maximum ignition output to the plugs. Along with the release of Sniper EFI's HyperSpark ignition system, the need for an equally capable distributor came to light. Enter Sniper EFI's HyperSpark distributor. Designed specifically for use with Sniper EFI, the billet shutter wheel ensures accurate spark delivery. The HyperSpark distributor includes a single Hall effect sensor, giving the Sniper EFI an accurate RPM signal at all engine speeds. The Hall effect sensor is designed for precise timing control and noise resistance. The HyperSpark distributor plugs and plays with Sniper EFI systems, and with the included clear cap installation tool, setup couldn't be easier. You simply drop the clear cap installation tool onto the distributor rotor and rotate the distributor until it drops down onto the housing. You have now established the correct reference angle for use with the Sniper EFI. The clear cap installation tool simplifies indexing a distributor. The housing is CNC machined billet aluminum for accuracy and strength. The HyperSpark distributor comes equipped with a melanized distributor gear, which is compatible with most hydraulic roller camshafts. When you upgrade to a Sniper EFI system, make sure you have a HyperSpark ignition in your engine for more versatility and better performance. Thanks for watching. For more information on Sniper EFI products, visit sniperefi.com.